Hi guys, welcome back to our playlist that is a master link query. So in this video, we are going to understand the generation method that is a repeat and empty. On range, I have already created one video. So that link which is available into the description, please go through that. You will get the more idea about this range generation method. So like in this video, we are going to understand this repeat and empty. So these two methods. Okay, so what exactly this method and how we can implement this method in our UiPath Studio. Okay, so that all that things we are going to understand one by one. So before watching this video, in case you are new, please subscribe to this channel. So let's get started. So first is the repeat method. So repeat means what? What exactly this method? Repeat means what? It is going to create a collection, okay, where the same element is repeated count times. That means a repeat. Means suppose I have element and 10 times data is repeated into that collection. Okay, so that means a repeat method. Okay, so like let's see how we can create that collection. So how we can generate that collection means repeat number of times. Okay, data is repeated, same data is repeated into that collection. How we can do that in UiPath Studio? So I'm going to open this UiPath Studio. Okay, it is going to repeated the data into that collection, and data it can be anything. Means it either the string, either integer, either a boolean. It can repeated any kind of data into that collection, not a only integer or not only on string. Okay, it can repeated any kind of data. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to create any one collection. Suppose array of int. Okay, array of int. Yeah, so array of integer underscore var. So this is my variable. It is going to store the collection of integer. Okay, means array of integer. Yeah, so I have created one video. I have created one variable. So that is array of integer. Again, I am going to create array of string. Array str var. It's a array of string. Yeah, so that's fine. I have two collection, two array variable. So array of string, array of integer. Okay, so I want to store the same data into that collection. Okay, so I'm going to take assign activity here. Okay, so here mention the input collection. Okay, I'm going to save it. Yeah, array of int. Yeah, so how we can store the repeated data into the collection? So same method. So that is a enumerable. Okay, so enumerable. It's a kind of looping thing. Dot. So here we need to mention the our generation method. Okay, so my generation method is a repeat. Okay, so this is my method. Repeat in bracket. We need to mention the data means which kind of data you want to repeat it. I want to repeat my data like this one. Okay, 1 to 12 comma how many times this data you want to repeat it into that collection. I want to repeat 5 times. 12 is repeated into that collection 5 times. Okay, array of integer. So finally we need to back store into the array dot to array. Okay, so that's a fine. And finally I'm going to display that data, all data. So here I'm going to join that string dot for array display purpose. I'm going to do this. So comma separated by data and comma. Here I'm going to mention this collection. Yeah. So I'm going to run this. Let's see what happens. It is going to repeat the data means 12 5 times. It's going to repeat it. See 12 5 times. Yeah. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay. So this is nothing but how we can repeated the same data into the collection. Okay, suppose I want to repeat the string kind of data. Suppose I want to repeat my name into that collection 5 times name. Okay, so I'm going to take assign activity again. So here I'm going to pass that collection. This is my array and array of string and enumerable. Okay, this is the looping thing. Okay, I'm going to maximize. So dot dot here we need to mention the generation method, that is a repeat. Okay, repeat in bracket. Like I want to repeat this name comma how many times I want to repeat this name in 10 times. Okay, and finally store back to the output. That result is nothing but a array. Okay, and click on save button. Yeah, so again I want to display that. So same, just I'm going to change the variable. So instead of array into var, it's a array of string. Yeah, I'm going to run this. So this is nothing but how we can repeat the data into the collection number of times. Okay, we need to just pass the number. 5 times I need to repeat that data into that collection. 6 times I need to repeat that data into the collection. Yeah, yeah, Kailas. It's going to repeat it same name 10 times. Yeah, so this is all about this repeat method. Okay, so next we are going to understand the empty method. What exactly this empty method? Empty method, it is going to create an empty collection of a specific data type. Suppose I have already specific a collection, means what, array of string, array of integer, or array of boolean, and having like data as well. Okay, I want to make as an empty collection. I want to remove the all data from that collection and make as a empty. So how we can achieve that? Okay, so I'm going to take a assign activity. Here we have a already data which is available into this variable. I'm going to remove the all data and make as a empty collection. So like take a assign activity. Here I'm going to mention the variable name, which collection I want to I want to make as a empty. So this collection, and so here I'm going to write that method. Okay, enumerable. Okay, dot, we need to mention the method. My method name is empty. So empty, it is going to create an empty collection of specific data type. And which data type that? So that data type is a integer. Okay, sorry, of int 32. Yeah, so already created. Okay, so finally dot to array. We need to convert that collection into the array. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to click on save. And finally I'm going to show the result. Okay, which, yeah. So what exactly happen here? So it is going to store the 12 number 5 times into this collection. Into this collection means integer variable. Here it is going to display that data. Okay, I don't require this code. I am going to remove that line. Okay, and in this stage, what happen? It is going to clear the all data. Means it is going to make as an empty collection. Okay, remove the all data, and finally it is going to display. Okay, so I am going to run this. So you will get the idea about this, what exactly this method. Here we have a data. Okay, it is going to execute and store the 12 number 5 times. Yeah. So this stage I have data, means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 data which is available into this variable, means what? Array of int var. So here it is going to remove the all data from this collection, means it is going to make as a empty collection, and finally it is going to display that collection. Yeah, so now we don't have a recording which is available into that collection. So that is the use of this method. That is a empty method. Okay, for the memory. So that purpose, remove the data from that collection. That purpose generally we are going to use this method, empty method. So very useful method, guys. Repeat and empty. So try to implement in your enterprise level, in your real workflow. So if any queries, so please comment into the comment box. Yeah. So thanks for watching this video. Yeah.